Back out on the e-bike today, guys, and we're testing something new. Come along for the ride. Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and welcome back to a muddy Phillips Park this morning. Brought the e-bike down today because we've had a bit of an upgrade on the fork. Actually had a bit of an issue with them. They were sitting really low one morning when I pulled the bike out of the garage. Looked like about 100mm travel. Looked like a dirt jump bike, to be fair. I'll overlay a picture now so you can all see. But yeah, so called up to see Stu at Dirt Factory to see what the issue with them was, and apparently they'd built up negative air, he thinks. So we sent them back to RockShox under a warranty because obviously I've only had the bike 6 months, and I think it possibly happened during my crash, but I'm not sure. So we sent them back, and yeah, they've upgraded me to the Zeb Ultimates. They were originally just Zebs, but they're now Zeb Ultimates. Look exactly the same forks. Just got all your high speed and low speed compression settings. So yeah, a bit more playable, like you can play around with the settings and set them up more to your liking. But yeah, big shout out to Stu at Dirt Factory for sending them back and getting everything sorted. Much appreciated, Stu, always a big help. But yeah, we're going to go and do a few laps of Phillips Park and try out the new forks. But yeah, take you guys along for the ride. See you soon. So yeah, guys, like I was saying, back down here at Phillips Park. Just going to do a couple of chill laps this morning. So had my new forks fitted. Well, not my new forks, but my upgraded forks, thanks to RockShox and thanks to Stu from Dirt Factory. So yeah, just thought I'll come down here, give them a try out, see how the thumb's feeling this week. Got a lot of rain this week, so bit of a muddy one today, but it's one of them. It's muddy today, but loads of mud in my eyes. Getting rutty down here with all this rain. River across the start of that jump. Wow, I've seen some litter at some places, but I've got to admit, this is the most random bit of litter I have ever seen. A pair of boxing gloves on a mountain bike trail, go figure. But yeah, Phillips Park needs some work. A lot of ruts on this jump line. It's definitely in need of some attention. It's got a stream running down it as well, but yeah, still fun. I do love Phillips Park. I've not been here for a couple of months. I think the last time I was here was with Josh and Jess after I'd come back from my leg injury. strangely enough. But yeah, funny. Yeah, random bits of rubbish, crazy. There's even a bag next to it, so go figure. Well, that didn't work well. Ooh, that trail's running off for a minute. Wow. I think that takeoff, just before that takeoff, so soft. Sent me a bit squirmy when taking off. Yeah. This place needs some serious attention. I'm not gonna lie, I think Phillips is definitely in need of some serious attention. It's not as fun as it used to be, that line. A lot of ruts in it now, a lot of ruts. I think there's been surrounds down here, so they won't help. There's a lot of wheel spin marks in the car park around the picnic bench, so yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to cut round this way, I think. Off camber that. Take the high line through there. Back to the fire road. So just a quick one today, everyone. Fork's feeling nice. Maybe need a slight little bit more air in them. Maybe a little bit soft. That could have been also why I weren't running 100% on that jump line. I think they might be a little bit soft. So I'm gonna get some air in them. Get it down to John's probably and give it a test there and see how it feels. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. I've got a few things to do this afternoon. So take care. I'll see you soon.